Hey, I'm Rachel Stanley. I'm a second grade teacher at Vestavia Hills Elementary, Liberty Park, and I am excited to talk to you about Yasmin the Superhero. Yasmin the Superhero is a story about a little girl learning what it's like to be a hero in real life. She has an image of what a hero is in her mind and what she's seen from the comics and the movies, but in this book, she learns what a real life superhero is and how she can help other people. This is a really great book that you could use as a read aloud with your class all at once, or you could do it in a small group setting. At this age, students are transferring from reading all picture books to wanting to try and venture into chapter books. This book is a great happy medium between those two. It includes a table of contents, a glossary, and a lot of other awesome text features that your students will love. One great activity that you can do with this book is to practice sequence of events, having your students focus on what's the most important thing that happened at the beginning, the middle, and the end of the story. Practicing sequence of events can help your students to develop strong reading comprehension skills and to learn patterns that they can find within this story and tons of other stories that they read. Another activity you can do with this book is talking about being a leader. Students can be leaders by helping others, by being a great friend. You can do a writing prompt with your students, asking them to write about a time when they were a leader or to write about something they would like to do to help others. Another great thing I love about this book is the really awesome resources in the back. There's a paper bag superhero craft that your kids will love, and there is a section about Pakistan facts that talk all about Yasmin's culture, which would be an amazing lesson for your students to talk about their culture and some of the things that make them unique. After reading this book, I hope that my students learn that they can be a hero by helping others, and that a superhero doesn't have to be anything fantastic or amazing, and that a superhero is just someone that helps people when they need it, that goes out of their way to be a good friend and care for others. This book is about kindness and helping others and lends itself to a ton of lessons that you can teach in your classroom. I know that it will be an awesome addition to any classroom library.